Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how can finding object in array. Like I show you with the live example, but I put on the note as a finding. Okay, finding object in array. Okay, array. So here, first of all, I want to declare one of the array. Better I remove everything. Okay, I remove everything and I want to declare one of the constant variable. That is a constant variable, and here I name it as a doctors. Okay, doctors. So now I want to declare one of the object. I hope you already know how to declare some of the objects, right? So that is our object I want to declare. Like here, I want to declare with the name. Okay, I declare one of the name. That is a name property. Here I want to declare the value. Our value will be as a Kazi, and also I want to declare another one as a age. Okay, age, and for the age I want to declare as a 20. Okay, and also I want to take another two of this. I simply paste it, and also after that I paste it. So that will be as a Kazi. I make it as a Jack, and for the Jack I make it as a 30, and also I take another one as a Aryan, and I make it as a 40. Okay, I make it as a 40. Great. Now I want to search it. I want to search a specific some of the objects. So if you want to search it, then you have to do like I take one of the constant variable, I name as a result. I take name as a result. So into this result area, first of all here that is our object name, right? Our object name, as I name it as a doctor. So with this doctors, that is also another method as a find method. So now with this find method area, here we have to call one of the callback function. That is actually one of the callback function. Okay, so into this callback function here I want to pass that as a doctor. I name one of the name parameter. Here I want to pass one of the parameter as a doctor. Okay, doctor. So that is our callback function, and with this callback function area I pass one of the parameter as a doctor, right? Here I want to put one of the condition. That means which data I want to get. I want to return this. I return this our doctor. Okay, that is our doctor, and here I want to return that name. Okay, I want to search with the name when this name will be equal like as a Kazi. Okay, when that will be as a Kazi, I want to return it. So if you want to now check it, okay, if you want to now check it, like here I want to with the console log, okay, so with this console log, there is a console log. Here I want to display our this result, right? So that will be the result. Now let's check this out. If you now click as a save all, and now if you go now click as a refresh, yes, you can see this perfectly get our specific this object whole data, that is a age 20 and name as a Kazi. So if you want to pass it as a Jack data, now click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, now you can see it's now perfectly get this Jack data. Okay friend, I hope it's very clear. That is I take one of the variable as a result, and now that is our doctor's object. Into this doctor's object area, here I want to search, right? For the reasons here you can search it with the find method, and into this find method area here you have to declare one of the callback function. I pass one of the parameter as a doctor, whatever the name actually you choose, and then with this doctor I want to access our property. Which property? That is a name property. So now that will be check all that our property value. When this name will be equal Jack, then I want to get all the data. Okay, so here you can see it's now successfully get this data, and it's visible this all that our object data. Okay friend, and now also if you want to get that by the age, like I want to get that by age, which day age is greater than the 30, then I want to get all that this user object data. So if you want to do that work, that is our doctors. With this doctor I want to access our object property name as a age. Okay, when this age will be, I want to make it as a greater than 30, then just simply get all that return data. Okay, here it should be get this data and it should be returned it, and also I print this result. Now let's check this out. Click as a save all. Now right now there are the two data should be display. Now click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now successfully get this data as a Aryan as a 40. Okay, here it's actually getting only one data, is because of all that is our finding method. Into this finding method, when it should be get that a specific one data, like that is our greater than 30, right? So now only it should be get one data. Okay, for the reasons you can see it's now display one data, that is a Aryan, which is totally fine. I hope friend you get some of the idea how to get that object data and how can display it. Okay, so that is a simple process you have to remember. So we can find it with our this find method. Okay, I hope it's very much clear to you. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.